Some guys were able to smoke it, some guys got smoked by it, so that's why we run it.
Rolling out of the rock course on day 2, course 1, we're rolling to course 2, which we're calling Second Canyon. We'll start out with the log slider into day 2, competition number 2.
You mean Leroy and that awesome show of vehicular violence he just threw down? Well, he tried to save it. That was pretty cool. It took a hard bounce and looked like he grabbed reverse to try to save it even. And now they're going to self-recover and they're still in the race.
Okay, so we have the Mountain Havoc event.
They have their time limit. If they choose to not, that's on them and we'll just pull them over and go on to the next one. But these guys are trying to self-recover. They think that they can get it over and finish this course. Oh, right there. I'll tell you what.
Latham, always giving it his all, right? He makes it all the way through the course, and the very, very last rock, he drops it off the left, tries to save it, ends up on his lid. Self-recovers, can't get it to start, right? He's got 3 minutes on the clock, 3 minutes. He says he's gonna use it, so he sits there, he thinks he uses his head. He takes the line and winches behind him because he's that close to the finish line, right? He takes it, goes to winch himself, thing fires up, he jams it reverse, bam, crosses the finish line just in the nick of time.
That's what's going to get repaired, and the rest of it's not
It is
compromised.
good to go.
Yeah. Does it feel to ride with Leroy?
It's fun. Lots of fun. Just like riding with Steven.
A little bit.
He's making me learn it.
Yeah.
So we threw a belt in barrel races last night. We got that put back together. I thought that was a little bit of an error on my part. I left a bolt loose. We threw the belt back on it, tightened everything up, checked it out. It seemed all good. And then for some reason, pretty much same scenario, I went around that 180 and blipped the throttle pretty hard with full lock, and it just pitched that belt off again. So I had to drive that course, no front steer through almost the entire course. And then this last deal there, the belts actually stayed on. It just definitely driver error on that one.
But it was a good show for the crowd.
Yeah,
so.
no, we actually self-recovered and got across the finish line. And anymore, my goals anymore, if I can just finish the courses, I'm pretty happy.
Well, it still entertains the crowd.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, that's what it's all about.
You had a couple good runs there, I see.
Yeah, kind of weird for me, right?
How do you feel about that?
It's all just for fun. You know, it's cool to do good, but I'm not the guy that's out here to win. I'm just here to have fun. So, but I'll tell you, taking a first place in an event with this group of guys, I'll take that.
Yeah.
Jerry Stevens has had his share of tough luck. Up at Havoc, he had some major transmission problems, one after another, after some late nights, everybody getting together, getting it fixed. Didn't have a good go at it. Here he's had 2 good runs. He is just happy as all hell. He made it, finished it, and he's doing a great job. Good job, Jerry.
It's nice when it doesn't break within the first.
Yes, we're 3 events in, and I'm still playing, so super
Still
happy.
shifting gears, right?
Yes,
Shifting.
best so far. So finally having some fun.
All right, well, it's good to see you finally driving.
Thank you.
Because you can move.
Justin Haft.
Haft, I was going to say.
I'm gonna keep
so
cheering
fun.
for Justin. I love watching him drive.
I think I'm doing okay. A little rough, but hopefully we're middle of the pack, and that'll be perfectly acceptable.
But you're having fun, right?
I'm having a blast.
Am I going to be better off wiping it on my socks?
On your socks.
Dirt or socks?
Dirt or socks?
Dirty, greasy socks or just greasy socks?
That's a tough question.
These questions. Socks.
Leaving course 2 on day 2, gonna roll into course 3. We'll start with the divider.
On the last course, you also blew a tire, it looks like.
Yeah, we pinched a hole in the sidewall. I had a Mickey Thompson and an Ag on the trailer ready for a spare. The only reason we put the Mickey Thompson on it was because it was on top. We didn't have to dig for the Ag, so we just grabbed the easiest tire because we knew we were the first one on this course. Just made it quick and easy, so we were ready to go.
And what's your goal for the last event for today?
Just try and get through the course. That's all I want to do. It's going to be challenging.
know what to think yet. It definitely looks intimidating, but I've also seen a lot of intimidating obstacles that weren't as bad as they look. So we'll find out here in about 2 minutes.
I guess the last question would be, did you finally lose your branch?
Yeah, we did. Actually, we were having a lot of trouble, so we figured it was bad luck, so we broke it off.
Oh, so you got rid of the branch, and we'll see if it changes.
Yeah, exactly. So far, it has paid off. So.
All right. It looks like you're running pretty good so far, and
yeah, I've been averaging 7th.
Well, there's a lot of rigs though, so that's actually up there. So.
Yeah, so pretty happy with that. No complaints.
Initial reactions to this next upcoming course here?
Once again, pretty intimidating, but let's get it up there and launch it and see what happens.
Right now we're on the 3rd course of the day here at Smith River Shootout, right? It has been a long, epic journey and we are all tired, but we have the most excitement coming up right here. I'll tell you, have you seen these rocks right here? They got the piles, they're gonna come around, they're gonna come up and down, they're gonna shoot around a tree, they're gonna shoot across these rocks, bam, bam, hit their belly, help it, swoop back around, hit the holes, come back the other direction, and then we're gonna call it a beautiful day here at Smith River Shootout.
Fancy seeing you
Happy
here.
Saturday, yep.
When did you get here? A while ago?
Oh, a long time ago.
Oh no, James, if you're gonna jump something in front of the camera, it's gotta be this.
So what do you think of this? Is it fun?
Yes.